attention, say thank your stars. I don't fucking know you. They say you're a model. Model where? I don't know you. Yeah, the only reason I'm cordial with you was because my daughter's worked for you before. But my daughter works for you. She paid. Wait. My daughter works for you before does not make you my person. That's business transaction.
People, and welcome back to my channel today. So wetin una watch just now na short clip, the clip wey be say they no show us previously unseen clip wey be say Iyabo dey table Faith Mori matter to the other housewives, and wetin be her name, Mariam dey hail am talk say na fakery. Reunion dey start today, and me I no know, I don dey try to subscribe my show mas dey dey do me one thing, but I go continue to dey try. This na just the clip wey be say first come out for the reunion, and e dey show to say wetin be her name, Iyabo Ojo dey complain now to say Faith dey claim to say she and Laura no be friends. Me I no see a reason why that thing go be an issue, because if you check am well, you and person fit dey una fit be acquaintance, but e fit be say una no just dey close like that. From wetin we know, Faith Mori meet Laura online, na so dem come take become friends, come get talking before they come into the show. That thing I don notice say wetin showmas dey do no good. Una dey release unseen footage when the actual person wey be say make the show go viral no come the show, because from wetin we dey hear, they say Iyabo Ojo no come. From the snippet wey be say we see, Iyabo Ojo no come, and we no see Tanya for there, we no see wetin be her name, Chioma for there, and but Tiana, she took permission, say she no go fit make am. As much as I not support the way Iyabo take go mumu herself for the show, I believe to say Iyabo was actually the content wey be say we watch for that season 2. We just see few comments over this snippet wey be say Showmax drop for us. The first person here say Iyabo is not in the reunion, why involving her queen mother for a reason, star power. And that one say omo, forget scripted, na her attitude. Me I not believe to say they go do scripted to the extent say Iyabo come dey behave like she was very angry in the show. So make nobody dey come dey talk say na scripted. Another one come say Iyabo really played into Showmax hand, like they are ready to still make her the pepper even in a reunion she is not present for. So what discussion do they want to resurrect from this at the reunion? From the way the thing, e go dey very boring, because Iyabo no come, Chioma no come, Tanya no come. All those people na people wey really cause kasala for season 2. So I don't know why Showmax you go dey do show, you no go give people contract, say once you sign this contract, say you wan dey on this show, you must attend reunion. Now wetin they do for Big Brother Naija, for Big Brother Naija All Stars, all the housemates they not agree come for reunion. They were feeling too big. Now the Big Brother won't come tell us another thing about bring 2 people again. Not go work. Oh, if multi-choice, no, if they confused, maybe they tell us they confused. Anybody that is coming on reality TV show should have a contract where they state to say after the show you must attend reunion, na compulsory. Not dey waste person money. The last person here say, madam, everybody must not be ras like you now. The main reason why Iyabo no go wan come this reunion because she know to say she for church. So I just hope say she don't change from this her bad character, because this one she dey claim say na family and friends tell her make she not come. All those ones na lie. Most of all these celebrities, when they don't f up for church finish, they will come dey talk say na person na advise them, whereas na shame na make her no fit come the reunion. Una take care, una bye.